Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and happy new year 2021. If there's anything that the year 2020 has taught us, that is being able to remotely do whatever you do to make money is definitely the right move. Being able to work from the comfort of your home has become a necessity. And one of those things that you can do which will allow you to work from home is being an affiliate for products and services. So in this video, I'm going to help you get started with your affiliate marketing business. Or if you are already an affiliate marketer and you are not making any sale with your affiliate marketing business, I'm going to show you the right things to do to be successful with your business. So the question that I'm going to be answering in this video is, what should you be doing as an affiliate marketer and make sure that you will be successful in 2021? That's why I urge you to watch every second of this video. That's why you should know that it's in your interest to stay around and to watch the entire video. Hey my friend, my name is VK. I'm the founder of Will Village Media. On this channel, I show you how to make money online. I make videos to show you how to work from home, how to start and grow a successful business working from home. So if you are interested in that, make sure to go down and subscribe to my channel. And if you already subscribed to my channel, if you are already a member of our Make Money Online Working From Home community, I really appreciate your time. Thank you and welcome back. In this video, as I said in my introduction, I'm going to show you what you should be doing as an affiliate marketer this year, 2021, and make sure that you will be successful. Something that you may not know about is that you and we are going to learn together how to achieve this goal in a free training that's going to take place in a few hours, which we call the 301k challenge by Igor Kheifets. I'm going to give you the details in a few minutes. But first, if you are an affiliate marketer, what are the things that you should be doing every single day and make sure that you will be successful with your business? I know a lot of people, and I've done it myself, when they join an affiliate program and they grab their affiliate links, what they do is to send traffic directly to the affiliate website, which is really bad. And if you want to be successful with your affiliate marketing business, first you should build a capture page. That's the first page on which you send people to and you ask for their email addresses. You collect their email addresses in order to follow up with them, because what you don't know is this: if you send 100 people to your sales page, only one of them will buy your product. The other 99% will leave your page without taking any action. That's why those who are successful with affiliate marketing, they capture leads first before they send their visitors to the sales page. So if you and we are on the same page, the first activity that you should do as an affiliate marketer is to build a capture page. Remember, I just talked about a free training that's going to take place in a few hours, which we call the 301k challenge by Igor Kheifets. During that training, you will learn how to build capture pages, so you don't have to worry about that. The same way, what you should be writing on that opt-in page should not be your concern, because we are going to cover those in the free training. And the second thing that you should be doing as an affiliate marketer is to email your list. Remember, we just said in the first step, you have to build capture pages to collect your visitors' email addresses. When you collect those, you need to be sending emails to them every single day to convert some of those 99% who didn't take any action when they visited your sales page. Here again, you don't have to worry about how to write emails, how often you should email your list, and when you should be emailing your list, because we cover all those in the free training, and I will give you the link to the free training in a few seconds. Now, if you built your opt-in page or your capture page, you set up the emails that will be going out to your subscribers. The third activity that you should be doing as an affiliate marketer is to drive traffic. We are talking about people visiting your opt-in page and giving you their email addresses. Those people, where do you find them in the first place? They can come from Facebook, from Instagram, from Twitter, from YouTube, depending on what you choose to do. There are two ways to drive traffic to your offers. You can either use free traffic or paid traffic. The free method could be the one that I'm doing right now, which is driving traffic from YouTube by posting videos, and a paid way, which could be driving traffic on Facebook or on YouTube, or buying email traffic, which is fast and convenient. And by the way, if you are already an affiliate marketer, if you already have a product that you are promoting and you need traffic, you need people to see what you are selling and buy from you, you can go to vksoloart.com and learn more about how I can help you drive fast and high quality email traffic to your offers. And if you don't know how to drive traffic, where to drive traffic from, whether you should be using free traffic or paid traffic, I'm inviting you to attend the free training that's taking place in a few hours, which will be hosted by Igor Kheifets, the founder of Igor Solo Ad and List Building Lifestyle, and we call it the 301k Challenge. So if you want to be an affiliate marketer, if you want to be successful with your business, if you want to start and scale your affiliate marketing business, make sure to use the first link in the description of this video to attend the free training about the 301k Challenge by Igor Kheifets. That's taking place in a few hours, and Igor will show you what to do, how to make money online working from the comfort of your home. Again, the training is taking place in a few hours, and the first link in the description of this video will take you to that place where you will be able to register for the training. That's all I have for you today. If you like the video and you want to see more of this, make sure to go down and like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification. That way, when I post a new video on this channel or I go live, I will send you a notification. I really appreciate your time. My name is VK from Will Village Media, and I will see you in a few seconds in the next video.